Today on the Roadhouse, we're cleaning out the intake with seafoam. Let's get this thing started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing in Ozark, Missouri. All your high-end to low-end towing needs. Call Finley River Towing in Ozark and Branson areas. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Alright, what I'm doing here is I'm going to pour about 6 to 8 ounces in a cup. Take the vacuum line off. We'll let it suck it up slowly. Put it back in, turn off the truck. I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to start the truck. Well, I just got that motor in that truck, so I'm guessing that motor wasn't as dirty as some of my other rides. I've done this on a S10 or a GMC Sonoma way back when, and I've also done it on a G35 Infinity, and they smoked up the whole entire neighborhood. So it wasn't very bad on this truck. I'm glad that it's been relatively clean, so I didn't have to worry about it. I appreciate everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. If you're following this F350 on my videos, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button at the very top and go ahead and hit the little notification button, because there's a lot more stuff going on with this truck. I got a fuel filter, I got JBL speakers. There's also going to be an Android touchscreen going in with up to 5 cameras going to surround the truck. So there's a lot of stuff going on with this truck. Thank you all again for watching, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Roadhouse is also sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri, where they do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. And also, tell them the Roadhouse sent you.